Hey, if you've been looking to level up your service van, maybe you don't have one, or maybe you're looking for that dream van eventually you as an electrician is gonna build, hey, that's what these videos are for. In this video, let's take a look at Ranger Design Parts Keeper version 1 versus the brand new one, version 2. Okay, so version 2, this is the latest parts keeper from Ranger Design. Here's what I'm talking about. First of all, they lock in, so they're not going anywhere. You just barely lift up and you're out, right? Check this out. Oh, you've got a transit connect with 2 side doors. Boom, accessible from both sides. That's pretty amazing. So in my van, I'm not gonna need that because I got a full size, but look at that. I can do one side, and then if you want, and you have a double door, then you come in from the other side, no problem. Easy sheezy. This is what I'm talking about. I'm talking about 22nd century technology, engineering, thought pattern. This is how we're gonna level up our vans for 2022 and beyond. So if you're getting something out of this video, smash that like button, subscribe, so I can bring you more like this. Let's take a look at version 1 really quick in comparison again. A lot heavier, first of all, and forget it. If you have an E-van, every pound is gonna count, but this is also gonna count reducing the weight of this into this in your gas vehicle because every pound is less mile per gallon. So this one, a lot louder, a lot quieter. Second thing, we had a lot more room here and a lot more bounce. So the improvements are huge. They come out, no problem. They'll come in, yes. A little bit easier to slide in and out, but because the gap and the tolerances are so huge. I love how low I was able to get this shelf on the version 2 versus the version 1. I could have gone down lower, but the problem is I got to go over that hump. So I really could only go about one more step. This one really doesn't have a hump. It comes right out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next time, we're going to take a look at the side shelving, and we're going to start putting this whole package together.